Hey, good afternoon, more Medic One. Today we're going to do a tool review on the Harbor Freight, the Chicago Electric branded cutoff saw. And what we're going to do, we're going to get it unboxed, and whatever needs to be put together, we're going to put it together real quick, and then we're going to step outside and we're going to cut some metal with it, maybe get some slow motion shots. And my lovely assistant, Layla, is going to help me out. See if we can get it unboxed here. Squeakity squeakity squeak.
It's wet.
Yeah, I got a little bit wet the other day. Coolness.
It smells like ham.
It what?
It smells like ham.
See if I can lift it out of here. You want to grab that in for me? This,
Oh.
yeah, not the plastic, the machine. Help me lift it straight up. Get the box. Yay!
Pop.
The weasel. Okay, let's get this off the table. Yeah.
And that thing fell.
Get this off the table. Get this back in the here, assistant.
Coming.
Just away.
Awesome.
Throw that in there for me. And we dropped something. I heard it hit the floor. What?
I picked it up. It's right there.
Oh, okay. I think it comes with a blade wrench. Yeah, basically just an Allen wrench. Comes with some instructions. Pretty much all put together. The only thing you'll have to do is buy a blade for it, which we'll do. And as soon as I get blades, we'll get the blade on it, and we're going to do some cutting with it. Well, we just got back from the Harbor Freight, and what you got in your bag there? Some safety stuff?
Ta-da!
Safety glasses. Where's your face shield? Did you already take it out?
Yep.
Of the bag? Oh, here it is. Got to be safe when you're working around metal and sparks. Just put it on there, babe, so everybody can see. All right. What else did we go after? Oh, you got some gloves and some wheels. I didn't realize that I screwed up and bought this thing and got the reading on there, and it doesn't come with the cutoff wheels. You got to buy you some. So they're not bad. It was like with a 20% coupon, like 12 bucks for a pack of, was it 5? I think. But anyway, let's get it put together.
Hi.
What's up, Miss Safety Coordinator? Alright, so whenever you get it out of the box, it comes locked, and Layla's going to show you how to unlock this. You push down, and then pull it out, the little lock, and then it swings up. And to lock it, push it down, push it in, and it's locked. So let's go ahead and put a blade on it, and I'm going to show you how to install the cutting blade. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the collar that holds the blade on, and as you can tell, it's held on by an Allen wrench. But on the back side of this thing, or the opposite side of it, you've got a little spring-loaded catch. And what you do, you rotate your blade around until this catch has got a little finger that pokes into the notches right here, if you can see it, and it holds the shaft steady so you can remove the bolt. So let's go ahead and get that done. Go ahead and we'll get the screw undone there to the left. Kind of hold your hand, do it with you, unscrew it with your right hand. Come over here and kind of hold underneath to keep stuff from falling out. That's called an arbor bolt. Now we're going to slide the cupped washer off of the arbor. We're going to leave this one on, and now we're going to slide the blade on. Alright, Layla's going to show you how to put the blade on. Go ahead and slide it in. And then we're going to put the cupped washer just like that. See how it's D-shaped? You're going to make sure that that D goes, okay, take it off, let me show you. You see how this is D-shaped and this is D-shaped, so you just line everything up. So we've got the arbor bolt finger tight, and she's going to turn it, and I'm going to show you back here the little arbor stop. You just push it, and this, did it get tight to where it won't move? Okay, we'll just tighten that up as tight as you can get it. Is that tight enough? Okay, so it's ready to cut. So let's go ahead and get it. We're going to go outside, and I got a few things that I need to trim off, and I really bought this because I got a fence project that I'm going to be doing, and also my brother-in-law's got a fence project, and this will be an indispensable tool. We were going to rent one, but Harbor Freight has two different versions of this. They have a less expensive one that's like $99 or $79. I can't remember. But this one was the more expensive one, and I got it on 4th of July weekend, so I got the 25% coupon, so it made it the same price as the less expensive one. This one's got the 3-horse motor and replaceable brushes, and it seems like it just as good as some of the more expensive brands that are $300-400, where this one was only around 100 and something plus tax. When you get this material loaded in here, you can go 45 degrees either way. You use the same wrench as you used to install the blade. You loosen up the two Allens, and then it'll go 45 this way, go to 0, and then 45 that way. So we're just going to set it to 0, and what you do, you just use this line right here and then tighten it back up. And what I like to do periodically is just loosen these up and tighten them up, because the threads get full of the cutting grit from the blade and the material that you're using. I've used a machine just like this at work a lot, so we're good to go. Whenever you decide to, or however thickness your metal is, you just flip this back. You could ride this thing back and forth, and you flip it down, and it turns it into a forcing screw, and you can tighten up your material. But first thing we're going to do is where is my chisel thing that you got a while ago? Helper. Let me see it. Here is a punch for my air hammer, and we ground it to a point because we were trying to chip some concrete, and what I want to do is I want to make this flat again, so we're going to use this cutoff saw to make this flat. What you do is you want to mark wherever it is you want to go. So, and your blade thickness. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna cut off maybe like a 1/8 of an inch more than I need. Let's get it tightened up here. Make sure it's flat on both sides, and we'll give it a cut. Hard metal. can tell it is a hardened steel, as if it's barely got any spark. You don't want to crowd your motor. Just give it light pressure until you get through the material. Now that will be red hot, so don't pick it up with your fingers. Don't touch it. All right, Miss Lovely Assistant, we're going to cut this piece of angle iron. Whenever you start it up, you get the blade close to the material. Don't just jam it down in there. You turn the machine on, and we're just going to gradually get down to the material, and we're going to cut through the material. Once you start feeling it, and the blade touches the material, you'll feel it, and then you can put some gradual pressure on it. Just use the machine's weight to cut the material. Want to do it again? Yes. Go ahead and twist your things to the left to unload your material. Once you get it loose, to left, baby. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay? Now once it's loose, you can flip this back. Stop. Once you flip that back, and you can just go like that. Now unload your material.
Can you do that part?
What?
Can you do that one?
What? You want me to do this one?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to slide it back. No, just push it. Push it, and then cam that down and tighten it up a little.
And I'm giving it away?
Yes, I'll do this one for you. Yes, sirree. Let her wind down. Yep, I like this one. It's got the little vibration pads under it. And riddle me this: why would they put 2, 3, and then just a metal leg on the backside? I don't get that. But I'll put links in the description about everything here today. If y'all have any questions about this, just let me know. More Medic 1. Have a great day. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Well, you don't have a voice?
Goodbye.